You can't talk about business funding without mentioning those three letters SBA, and it makes sense. SBA-backed loans are some of the most affordable, flexible, and accessible financing options out there, especially when you're working with the right lender. Today, we're diving into the best SBA lenders, whether you're after fast approval, big financing, or a lender that actually understands your industry. We'll break down each lender, what they offer, and what makes them stand out. By the end, you'll know which one gives your business the best shot at affordable financing. Now, before we get into the lenders, here's a quick refresher. An SBA loan isn't money from the government. It's a bank loan backed by the U.S. Small Business Administration. That guarantee gives lenders confidence to approve more businesses, often with lower rates, smaller down payments, and longer terms. To qualify, your business needs to be for-profit, based in the US, and meet the SBA's size standards. Most lenders want to see a 650 plus credit score, solid financials, and at least a year or two in business. Okay, that's the foundation. Now let's look at the lenders who do it best. Kicking off our list is Celtic Bank, one of the most active SBA preferred lenders in the country and a standout for SBA Express loans. If you need smaller funding fast, Celtic's a solid pick. The Celtic Advantage program gives you up to $350,000. While that might not cover a major expense, it's perfect for working capital, equipment, or other short-term needs. The real draw here, though, is speed. You can get pre-qualified in minutes and see a credit decision in just a few days, which is lightning fast for SBA funding. Celtic also offers standard SBA 7A loans, 504 loans, the Celtic Express loan, and even construction and commercial real estate financing, giving you room to scale if your funding needs to grow. Rates are competitive and terms can stretch up to 10 years for working capital and 25 years for real estate. Celtic's reputation for customer service and transparency also makes this bank one of the more approachable national lenders to work with. Coming in at number 4, we've got First Internet Bank, one of the best options if you want to handle your SBA loan completely online from application to closing. As a fully digital bank and SBA preferred lender, First Internet Bank has turned what's normally a paper-heavy process into something streamlined. You can pre-qualify online, upload documents securely, and track your loan status every step of the way. First Internet Bank offers SBA 7A and 504 loans with funding amounts up to $5 million. You'll see repayment terms up to 25 years for real estate and around 10 years for most other uses. And if you need up to $350,000 and want a credit decision in as little as 48 hours, First Internet Bank has you covered with SBA Express loans. Rates are competitive, typically in the single digits, and because the bank specializes in small business lending, you won't feel like just another number. First Internet Bank works well for businesses that already handle most of their operations online or for owners who don't want to drive to a branch just to drop off forms. If you want the speed and simplicity of a fintech lender backed by the trust of a real bank, this is your pick. Now, before we jump into our top 3 picks, be sure to check out our full reviews for all of these lenders at merchantmaverick.com. We break down rates, terms, requirements, and even more. Those are all linked in the description for you. Now back to the countdown. At number 3, we've got Grasshopper Bank. It's one of the newer players in SBA loans, but it's making a name for itself because of how fast it moves. Grasshopper is a digital-first bank and SBA preferred lender that focuses on speed and simplicity. You can get pre-qualified for an SBA 7A loan in just minutes, and its platform walks you through each step without the back and forth you usually get with traditional banks. Grasshopper offers SBA 7A loans up to $5 million with repayment terms of 10 to 25 years. Grasshopper's rates are competitive and you can use the funds for just about anything, working capital, equipment inventory, or even buying a business. 504 loans are also available through Grasshopper. Now, where Grasshopper really stands out is its tech-driven experience. You can connect your business accounts directly, upload documents securely, and get quick updates on your loan status all online. Plus, its team of SBA experts actually helps you prep your application so you can move through underwriting much faster. If you want the speed of a fintech lender with the backing of an SBA-approved bank, Grasshopper delivers a seriously smooth experience, especially for busy business owners who don't want to waste weeks waiting on a decision. At number 2, we've got Lendtek. Lendtek isn't your typical lender. It's a smart platform that makes SBA lending less of a headache. That means one application, multiple lender matches, and much faster funding. Lendtek gives you access to up to $5 million through SBA 7A and SBA 504 loans with repayment terms ranging from 5 to 20 years. As you would expect with SBA loans, rates start in the single digits. If you only need up to $50,000, Lendtek can connect you with SBA microloan partners offering repayment terms up to 6 years. What makes Lendtek stand out is simplicity and speed. Submit a profile, link your bank statements, and get matched with lenders that fit your business. Lendtek's mobile app makes it easy to apply from anywhere for SBA loans or other financing like lines of credit or business cash advances. If you've got solid financials and want a lending process that moves while you run your business, Lendtek can connect you to an SBA-ready lender fast. And topping our list at number 1 is Live Oak Bank, a powerhouse in SBA lending and a go-to for businesses across the board. Live Oak is consistently ranked as one of the most active SBA lenders by dollar volume, and it's not hard to see why. Live Oak offers SBA 7A loans up to $5 million and 504 loans that can finance projects up to $15 million. For smaller financial needs, there's also the Live Oak Express loan, which can put up to $350,000 in your account fast. Live Oak is an SBA preferred lender, which means you can get your approval up to 4 weeks faster than working with non-SBA preferred lenders. Live Oak is also efficient, transparent, and has experience in more than 30 industries from healthcare to franchises to construction. You won't find that with just any lender. If you're serious about growth, acquisition, or a real estate-backed project, Live Oak is the lender you want in your corner. And now that you've got the list, it's your move. Check out our full reviews or explore Merchant Maverick's complete list of top SBA lenders. And if you're still figuring out which SBA loan makes the most sense for your business, don't miss out our video that breaks it all down. Everything is linked in our description. And remember, getting funding isn't about chasing the biggest loan. It's about finding the right partner to fuel your next step. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you next time.